A seeded population starts with no learned driving strategy. By generation 5, the first cars can finish, but collisions still decide the lap. At generation 10, most laps finish, yet none are clean. By generation 35, the major hazards stop deciding every run. Generation 65 finds a clean line, but it is not reliable yet. Generation 70 repeats the result. All 12 held-out laps finish, with zero contacts.